Hey there, it's me. Are you ready to unlock your financial future? In today's video, we're diving into a thrilling topic that many of us grapple with: investing. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Now let's get started with our confidence-building journey. The first step is to educate yourself. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing. Take the time to learn about different investment options, whether it's stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or ETFs. Understand the risks and potential returns. Don't be afraid to start small. Begin with what you're comfortable with and gradually expand your investment portfolio as your confidence grows. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. It's not about how much you invest initially, but about starting and staying consistent. If you want to learn more about investing, stay tuned for more videos. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Next up is diversifying your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographical regions. This will help you mitigate risks and maximize your chances of success. Think of it like this: the more options you have, the better prepared you are for any market twists and turns. Now let's talk about setting realistic expectations. Investing is a long-term game. Don't expect to get rich quick. Instead, focus on building wealth over time. Remember, patience is a virtue. Stay focused on your financial goals and trust the process. It's like planting a seed. You need to nurture it and care for it before you can reap the rewards. Next up, consider seeking professional advice. If you're still feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to reach out to a financial advisor. They can help you create a personalized investment plan tailored to your needs and risk tolerance. It's like having a GPS for your finances. A financial advisor can guide you through the complexities of investing and help you make informed decisions. Finally, embrace a long-term perspective. Don't let short-term market fluctuations get you down. Stay focused on your long-term goals and ride the waves of the market. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep your eye on the prize and stay committed to your financial journey. Congratulations! You've now learned 5 fearless investment strategies to secure your financial future. Remember, knowledge is power. By educating yourself, diversifying your investments, setting realistic expectations, seeking professional advice, and embracing a long-term perspective, you'll be well on your way to making smart investment decisions. Don't wait any longer. Start today and pave the way for a brighter tomorrow. Now let's dive into some more investment insights. Here are 5 additional tips to help you become a confident investor. No. 1. Understand your risk tolerance. Before you invest, determine how much risk you're comfortable with. Are you a risk taker, or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Knowing your risk tolerance will help you make informed decisions about your investment portfolio. Number 2. Practice diversification. Diversification is key to mitigating risks. Spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographical regions. By diversifying, you're ensuring that your portfolio is resilient in the face of market fluctuations. No. 3. Start small and scale up. If you're new to investing, start with a small amount that you're comfortable with. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your investment. No. 4. Automate your investments. Consider setting up automatic investments to help you stay consistent. By automating your investment contributions, you'll be more likely to stick to your plan. No. 5. Review and rebalance regularly. It's essential to review your investment portfolio regularly and make adjustments as needed. Rebalancing ensures that your asset allocation remains in line with your risk tolerance and financial goals. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Remember, you have the power to shape your financial future. Invest wisely and pave the way for a brighter tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy investing.